What's wrong? Why are you breathing so hard?
I threw a baseball through our neighbor Karen's window.
Okay, that sounds like a you problem.
Please, just say that I was with you.
Hey, that little brat threw a baseball through my window. Y'all better pay for it or else. But he was with me the whole time. That's not possible. I swear I saw him. Nope, he was with me hanging out with Chatta and Geta.
Yeah.
Ooh, I swear I'm gonna send both of y'all to jail. Have fun with that. And who's Chatta and Geta? Shut the f*** up.
Get the f*** out.